Hi KG2, how are you? I hope you all are good and doing well and staying safe in your homes. Let's take out your maths books now. And from our maths books, we're going to do lesson 119 today, which is on page number 77. Let's pick up your pencils now. I'm going to use this so that it's more clear for you guys to see, okay? I'm going to write my name here, Mariam. All right. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to learn time. We're going to learn time, and from time, we're going to learn the quarters. Let's see what the quarters are here. There are 4 quarters in a dollar. Remember, we did 4 quarters in a dollar? This, when they're 25 cents, then it's a one quarter dollar, right? So, do you know about quarter hours too? So today we're going to do quarter in hours and in time. This clock face shows a quarter of an hour. It is also called 15 minutes. So when it's quarter of an hour, it means that 15 minutes are gone from your hour. Let's see here. First, let's see. We're going to do it from the beginning, okay? So this is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and then 12 o'clock, right? Now, can you see these numbers on them? 5, 10, 15, and so on. So what happens here is that these are the minutes. What are these? These are the minutes. And these big numbers, like starting from 12 and then going all the way back to 12, these are your hours. Okay, so what happens here is that this small hand shows the hours and this big one shows the minutes. So let's count by fives now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then 60. 60. See? Now, when your big hand is on 60, it means that this is 0 0. It shows 0 0, and then again from here it's 1 2 3 4 and 5. That's how it goes. Now I'm going to set a clock for 4 o'clock. All right, one thing more, that when the time is changing, when the hours are changing, they always go in only one direction, and that direction is called clockwise direction. It only goes like this. It never goes like this, the other way around. It never goes anti-clockwise. It's always like this, okay? So let's go back to 4. What time is it? Can you tell me what time is it? It's 4 o'clock. Now, let's see how it'll look like if 15 minutes are gone from this hour. 5, 10, 15. So I've got to stop here. Now, can you tell me what time it is? It's 4:15. All right, let's take another example. Let's say it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Now, if I have to say that the time is 9:15, then how will my minute hand moves? This is how it's going to move. 5, 10, 15. So this is how the time is going to look like. All right. Now, let's do it on the book here. Question number 1. Write the numbers on this clock face. Draw the minute hand and the hour hand to show 8:15. Alright, first what we have to do is look at the first sentence. Write the numbers on this clock face. So they've given us 12 over here, just like the way it was here on this clock. So we have 12 here. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we're going to start writing from 1 to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we're done with the first part of the question. Let's see. Draw the minute hand. Now the second part is minute hand. Which one of them is the minute hand? Can you tell me? Is this the minute hand or this the minute hand? This big one is the minute hand, okay? It shows us the minutes. Alright, so let's make a big hand. And the R hand. Now, which one is the R hand out of these two? The small hand is called the R hand. Now we have to do is to show 8:15. Alright, now 8 here is the R and 15 is the minute. So we're going to make small hand pointing towards the R and a big hand showing the minutes, that is 15 minutes. So this is 8:15. What it is? 8:15. It means that 15 minutes from 8 o'clock is gone. Alright, Alright, okay. Are we good with that? Okay. Now, let's go to the next question. Circle the spheres. Remember we did solid shapes yesterday? From solid shapes, what we're going to do is today, we're going to circle the sphere shapes. Remember, I showed you a ball over here. It's circular in shape and it's round from all the sides. So it's called the sphere. Now, we have to circle only the sphere parts. This lollipop. Which part of this lollipop is the sphere? The handle from which you hold it or the top part, the candy part? Which one of them is sphere? The candy part. So we're going to circle this. Is this donut a sphere? No, it's not. Why? Because it has a hollow in it. You can even put your finger in it and go through. So it's not a solid shape. See, so we're going to leave that. What about this chocolate? Is this a sphere? No, it's not. And this basketball, what about this basketball? Is it round from all the sides? Even if you turn it around, would it still be a circle? Would it still be round? Yes, it will be. So this is our sphere. I'm going to circle it. Now the second one. Circle the cylinders. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look for cylinders. Remember I showed you my candle? This candle, this is how a sphere looks like. So is this shape a sphere? Let's see. Straight from the bottom, straight from the first side and the last side, and it is circular from all the sides. So yes, it's a sphere. Oh, sorry, it's a cylinder. Now what about this part? This also looks like a cylinder to me. So I'm going to circle this. What about the can? Is your can, the cans that you drink from, are they all round from all the sides and their top and bottom is flat? Yes, they are. So we're going to circle this as well. What about this? This lit savers. They are also cylinder. Easy, right? Now let's flip our pages and go to question number 3. Write the number before. Now what is before? Before is that number that comes before your given number. Here I have a number line, and from our number line we have numbers starting from 29 to 50. Let's count with me. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So here the first question says, the first part says 44. Let's see where 44 is on the number line. This is 20. These are all 30s. This is 40. So 41, 42, 43, and 44. This is my 44. Now what comes before 44? Now we have, and when we are looking for the numbers before, we go backwards. So we'll hop one number back and we'll see that the number is 42. 3. So we're going to write here 43. Easy, right? So you all are going to do the rest yourselves and practice it, okay? Now the fourth question. Let's put our fingers on question number 4. That is subtract. Question number 4 is subtract. Can you tell me what subtraction is? Subtraction is when we take away numbers, all right, from the given number, from what we already have. Now this is a vertical subtraction. What happens in vertical subtraction? We have the number at the bottom. That is the number that we're going to take away from here. Now this doesn't have a number line over here, but we're going to use this number line here, okay? It'll help us in doing this question number 4 as well, okay? So this says 33. Let's see where 33 is on the number line. Okay, this is my 30s family from here till here. From here. Okay, now 30, 31, 32, 33. This is my 33. How many do I have to take away? The sign is telling me that I have to take away. This is the minus sign used for subtraction. Now 3. Let's see. When we are subtracting, which way do we go? Forward or backward? Backward. Very good. So let's hop backwards 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So what's my number? 30. 30 is the number that I stopped on. Okay. I hope you guys understood this, and I want you to do the rest yourselves, okay? I'll be waiting for your homework. I'll be waiting for your homework and your classwork. So please send me your work, okay? I'll be waiting. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.